patio with a ruler because it would take so many times of placing it down and redoing it that the measurement would be inaccurate and that would be inefficient. So we are going to use a 25-foot measuring tape. I'm going to have some assistance. She's going to hold it. And we're going to pull the measuring tape tight in a straight line. And we can see that this is 13 feet is right here. So this is 13 feet, 1, 2, 3, and 3/4 inches.
Okay, so today we are going to measure this table using a meter stick instead of a ruler, because if we were to use a ruler, it would take too long and the measuring would be inaccurate. See, that just takes way too long. So we're going to use a meter stick instead. So we're going to start here at 0, start at the very edge. So that's 1 meter. Push it all the way over here. About almost 2 meters.
Alright, so today we're going to measure this tornado shelter sign, and it wouldn't make sense to measure with a tape measure because it is not long enough. So we're going to use a ruler. We're going to start at the end, start at 0, measure it, and what do you know, it's 13 inches.
Based on these two objects, what measuring tool would you pick? Do you think it would be better to use a ruler, a yardstick, or a tape measure?
Okay, to measure a pen, we are going to use a ruler because it would make more sense to use a ruler rather than a yardstick or a measuring tape because the pen is smaller than a chair. And when we are measuring with a pen, we are going to use inches or centimeters instead of feet or meters. While for a chair, instead of using a ruler like we used a ruler for the pen, we are going to use instead a yardstick or a measuring tape to measure the height of a chair because a ruler is meant for smaller objects just as inches or centimeters are, but with a yardstick or a measuring tape we could measure the chair in feet, meters, or in yards. Now let's talk about the different types of units of measurement that you can use to measure things. So as you can see, there are so many different types of measuring tools and measuring units that you can use when you are choosing to measure something.